We are in Altadena today. Coming around this corner, we are going to experience a fairly unusual location, and we're not even going to get out of the car. This is called Gravity Hill, right here in Altadena.
This one is supposedly haunted, and there are a couple of different urban legends that I heard about this spot. One is that it's haunted by a group of children who tragically lost their lives after their school bus broke down on this hill.
Gosh.
The legend has it, it's the children that are pushing your car back up the hill.
Right, so
Creepy.
that's the idea, is that you park your car on this hill, and then you put it in neutral, and supposedly it'll roll up the hill.
Creepy stuff.
Okay, so we're coming over the top of this hill right here. And this is where it is. So if I pull to the side here.
We're just gonna park.
So this should be it, right?
I think so.
So when I put this in neutral, which way are we gonna roll?
We're gonna, I don't know.
We should roll downhill, right?
Well, it'd be common to roll downhill, of course, right?
Okay, I'm in neutral.
We're in neutral. Nobody's coming. There's
And
nothing.
I'm gonna take my foot off the brake.
Okay. We're rolling back up.
We are rolling backwards.
We're going back. Are you serious? Oh my gosh, the children are pushing us.
This is downhill, right?
Oh my gosh. In order to prove this, I need to shoot also from this side.
I wonder how much faster we're gonna be going after we get over the top of the hill.
We're gonna go over the speed limit. People have said there are 3 different reasons that happened. Number 1, it's a quirk in the Earth's magnetic field. 2, it's haunted. 3, it's just an optical illusion.
I'm leaning towards it's just an optical illusion.
I think it's all 3.
It's all 3 at once. Okay, so you're gonna get out.
Yeah.
All right. Good luck. Let's go up there by that gray box.
Yeah, over there should work.
Just keep rolling, I guess. There she goes. Honestly, I'm not sure what her being outside of the car is gonna prove, but we'll see. Put it in neutral, and here we go.
See ya.
That's pretty bizarre. So what did you see from over there?
I saw you backing up.
Oh, hey yo, is it lunchtime yet at this
We have to
place?
at least end it somehow, right?
That's Gravity Hill. Look them up online. There's generally a Gravity Hill near you, wherever you are.
This is one I think that you should come see for yourself.
It should work in any car. Those ghosts of those children do not discriminate. Should work in a bike, a wagon, rollerblades. I've never tried it with those. Somebody should try it and leave it in the comments.
Okay. See you guys next time.
It's lunchtime.